Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm sharing with you guys 3 Valentine DIYs. This is also a collab with my friend Courtney from Creative on the Cheap. If you are not subscribed to her, make sure you check her out. I will leave her channel and her video link in the description box below. Also, if you're coming from Courtney's channel and you are new to mine, welcome. Thank you guys for stopping by. I do a ton of budget-friendly DIYs, Dollar Tree, and I may do some more thrift DIYs this year. We will see how the year goes. It is still pretty fresh over here. But anyways, let's jump in to the video. Guys, this first DIY is going to be a wooden heart topiary. I've been really obsessed with topiaries for Valentine's Day lately. I don't know what it is, but I picked up 3 of these wooden type MDF board shiplap hearts from Dollar Tree, 2 in the white and 1 in the red, and I started tearing this apart. What I did was I just ripped the bow off, ripped the galvanized heart off, and then I just glued the galvanized heart right to the center. I am going to be using a Chalk Couture silk transfer. These are absolutely amazing. They are reusable. You just use the chalk paste, scrape it on, wash this out, and then it gets sticky every single time. I think up to like 20 times as long as you take care of them. But I love them. I think they just make a really fresh look. And I am not good with stencils, but these, I'm actually pretty good at these. So yeah, I'm just using this red chalk paste with the February 14th because obviously Valentine's Day is February 14th, and I thought this looked really cute on the galvanized part. And then I just glued it to the center, and then I'm just adding a bunch of ribbon and garlands, all sorts of things, and just tying it in a simple bow and gluing it to the top. Just be careful when you are taking the bows off the top of these. Everything rips, the paper rips, so I really tried to cover it as best as I could. This one, when I ripped off the heart, the backside had some black paint on it, so I decided not to use that at all. Instead, I'm using one of these galvanized hearts. I know they have these this year as well, but I actually picked these up last year. I have another one I have yet to use, but I think this looked really cute, and I just wanted something simple for the center. I just ended up gluing that burlap bow right back on, along with the bow that came with the galvanized heart sign that is in the center of this one. All right, so for this one, I showed the black paint galvanized. I'm like, that is not going to work. I was trying to figure out which one I was going to use. I kept mixing them up. So I'm going to be using this white one once again, doing the same thing that I did for the first one. I didn't have enough ribbon or the ribbon that I wanted, so I just went with this truck ribbon and some red ribbon and then some of this garland. This is also from Dollar Tree this year as well. And I'm just tying one more simple bow. This one is a little bit shorter, but I think it's okay if all these hearts are just a little bit different. And then you can see where I ripped the bow off. I am just putting some hot glue there and putting this simple bow right to the center. And then I did end up cutting it down just a little bit. So then after that was done, I decided to use one more Chalk Couture silk transfer. And like I said, I will leave links in the description box below if you guys want to check this out. But I just had these arrows, so I decided to go with it and use this. And I am so glad I did. Like I said, it's a little bit different, but I am super happy that all of these hearts were just a tiny bit different. And I love the reveal when you peel these off and everything just looks so perfect and so nice. It just looks really nice. And then I had this large wooden dowel. This is actually from Walmart. I think it was just over $1. They're really inexpensive if you pick them up from Walmart. And they're just in the crafter section. And then I'm just going to be gluing these 3 hearts together. I'm doing the February 14th first, and then the red one, and then the other one. And I just actually had a little galvanized bucket. I picked this up at Goodwill. It's normally from Target, and then I just ended up putting some foam along with a ton of plastic bags and rocks and whatever would fill this, and then I just added some greenery to the bottom just to give this a little bit of color, and I love how this turned out.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I
DIY, I found this heart. It is a thick wood heart. This was from Goodwill. It was $3, but if you can't find one of these from Goodwill, you could just pick up another heart from Dollar Tree and use it this way as well. It already came with like the lace ribbon or the black ribbon on the top. And then I'm just adding a ton of roses. I picked up about 12 bundles of roses from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, it's kind of a lot, but I absolutely love the way this turned out. This had the foam hearts that with it, along with that like baby's breath. I end up using the baby's breath later on, but I love the way this turned out. I think it is so cute. This was so simple and so easy to put together. Just a lot of glue sticks and a lot of roses.
Can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you.
The DIY, I'll be using one of these foam hearts. I just cut the tags and then I started wrapping yarn around this. I don't know why I thought yarn was just a great idea. Rope would probably be way easier. This took over an hour to wrap with yarn, and it is so hard to wrap with yarn because it just has like a bunch of points and like round. It was really hard to do. I'm just using this planter. This bucket. It was from Dollar General. I picked it up on clearance. I think it was $1.30, super inexpensive. A wooden dowel from Walmart. And then I'm just adding some boxwood greenery, which is from Walmart. And I'm also adding this garland, which is from Dollar Tree this year. And it is in the Valentine section. And I love these topiaries. Like I said, I'm obsessed with making these right now. And I think they are so good looking for Valentine's Day. But guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. 3 DIYs. I don't think I've made 3 DIYs in a long time on my channel. But if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, don't forget to check out Courtney's video. It will be linked in the description box below. But that is it, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops fall.